What's up YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to give you the top 7 reasons why you still should be wearing a suit. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like VJE, salute. Now, one of the questions I've often gotten since starting this channel is, Jeff, you wear suits a lot, even in videos with topics that aren't even about suits or getting dressed up. Do we even need to wear suits nowadays? And I get it, that's a pretty valid question. With people tending to dress a lot more casual than they used to, and athleisure being all the rage, it can be easy to think that the suit is dead or unnecessary. But of course, you know I'm here to tell you that couldn't be farther from the truth. So in today's video, I've got 7 great reasons why I still wear a suit and why I believe you should too. So without further ado, let's get into these reasons why this suit isn't dead. Now, the first reason I definitely think you need some suits in your wardrobe: wearing a suit actually emphasizes the strong points of a man's physique. Here's what I mean. Whether you're somebody who's working out, trying to get into shape, or is already in shape, what are parts of the body that you tend to emphasize? You want broad shoulders, a bigger chest, narrow waist. What does a suit emphasize? Think about it. A typical suit jacket is going to have a little padding in the shoulders, making your shoulders appear a little broader. Button that suit jacket, especially in a well-tailored suit, it gives the illusion of a smaller waist. And just think about it. When you wear a suit, you tend to stand up straighter, have better posture, just gives a better presentation of yourself. Whether you're tall, short, fat, skinny, anywhere in between, everybody looks better, and the best body parts of our man are emphasized in a well-tailored suit. Another great reason to still be wearing suits: the suit just so happens to be trend-proof. Now, I'm not saying that the suit doesn't go up and down in popularity. It definitely does. But look back across all the decades, for 100 years all the way up to now. You can always see men wearing suits. Now, the silhouettes may change, the cuts may change, but a suit never goes out of style. It may go in and out of favor, but I'm here to tell you, I'm older than a lot of you guys, that's why I'm the OG, but ever since I started to notice style, suits have always been around. And my guess is that they always will be. So if you want to have a part of your wardrobe that's trend-proof, don't hesitate to grab 1 or 2 well-tailored suits. Next up, let's talk about why a lot of us are into style to begin with. It's because what we wear communicates a certain thing to the outer world. Whether it's casual clothes or a suit, what we wear says something about us. And what does it say when you throw on a suit? It communicates power, strength, stability, success. You look like a guy who's either coming from somewhere important or going somewhere important. Anytime you throw on a suit, it just commands a little bit more respect than anything else you throw on. So if you're trying to communicate to the outside world power, stability, success without having to say a word, throwing on a suit is a great start. Speaking on how the suit communicates to the outside world brings us to the next reason why you still need to be rocking those suits. It's because it's hands down still one of the favorite outfits ladies love to see us rock. Now, I know a lot of times when I talk about these topics about what the ladies like, I get pushed back from some of you guys talking about, I dress for me, I don't care what the ladies think. Well, good for you. I don't think that way, and a lot of other guys don't. I'm not too cool for school to say I care about what the ladies think. And hands down, ladies always love a man in a well-tailored suit. I'm talking younger ladies, older ladies, ladies your age, they all find a man in a suit very attractive. So if you're anything like me and you care what the ladies think about what you're rocking, don't hesitate to have some suits in your arsenal. Another great reason why suits will always be in style: it's because they're a lot more versatile than you may think. Now, of course, you can wear a standard suit with the shirt and tie. That will always work. But you also can mix and match your suits. You can wear the suit pants by themselves. You can wear the suit jacket by itself. You can wear a suit with sneakers. Wear a suit to work, take off the tie, you got an instant going out look. Don't just think when you buy a suit, you're stuck with wearing it with the traditional shirt and tie. It's much more versatile than you think. Now, next up on our list, between me and you, is one of the main reasons why I still rock a suit. That's because with less and less guys wearing them and being more relaxed and casual in their looks, it gives me and you an opportunity to stand out. Now, one of the things about being a stylish guy, it enables you to stand out from the crowd without having to say a word. When everybody else is dressed down, a well-tailored suit helps you stand out. And if you're anything like me, I don't always want to be like everybody else. I don't want to always be average. And when you have that beautifully well-cut suit on, you definitely are not an average guy. You're extraordinary and stand out from the crowd. So if you want a way to communicate through clothes, to stand out and not be like every other guy, don't hesitate to throw on that smooth suit. And last but certainly not least on my list of the 7 reasons why you still need to rock a suit, it's because it's simple. A suit takes a lot of the guesswork out of choosing what to wear. What's easier than grabbing an outfit that already has the 2 matching pieces put together for you? A lot of times when you're throwing on a more casual look, you might not know if this pants goes with this shirt, if these shoes match this sweater, if you have a job interview, if you have a wedding, if you have a funeral, if you have an important business meeting. You know your suit will work for you. You don't have to wonder if you're gonna fit in all those important situations. So believe it or not, one of the great reasons to have a well-tailored suit in your closet is simple, easy, and reduces the guesswork. Okay, so there you have it. My 7 great reasons why you still need to rock those suits. Let me know in the comment section, do you think it's still important to rock suits? And if so, why do you still have suits in your wardrobe? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.